Ummeli uthi angeke uvele umise umuntu nje ngoba ubona ngathi kunezigatshana ezithile zomthetho ezikuvunayo.
Not simply impeach a person just because there is a section 89 in the case of the president or section 194 of the section 9 heads of institution.
Lolu qweqwe lommeli luthi inkantolo kumele izibuze ukuthi ngabe le ndlela esetshenziswayo iyahambisana yini nomthetho sisekelo wezwe.
The duty of the court is then to say, is this mechanism, this particular one, constitutional? And that's all really there is to this case.
Uthi ukubhekisiswa kokuthi imigodi yahambisana yini nomthetho sisekelo wezwe akusho ukuthi ngabe uMkhwebane unecala noma cha.
This case is not about the guilt or innocence or whatever of the public protector. Actually, ironically, this court is precluded from looking at that question. Actually, this court does not have jurisdiction to look into that question. That question, once the rules are constitutional, will be looked at by the ad hoc committee in Parliament.
uAdvocate Mpofu uthi umsebenzi wazo izinkantolo ukubhekisisa izinqumo ezisetshenziselwa ukumisa abantu abathile ukuthi ngabe leyo mgomo iyahambisana yini nomthetho.
The court is the only place in this country that can declare whether the rules are constitutional or not. So it's not even optional. Nobody else, the executive, legislature, or whoever, can opine about it. But the only institution in this country that has the right and the duty, as I will show just now, to declare something valid or invalid for unconstitutionality is the court.
Lena kungaba imizamo yokugcina yomvikeli womphakathi njengoba ezama ukuthi avimbe ukuthi angakhonjwa indlela phakathi kwezinto asolwa ngazo umvikeli womphakathi ukungawenzi ngendlela efanele umsebenzi wakhe njengoba inkantolo yezomthetho sisekelo yathola ukuthi akazange azethembeke kwezinye zezinto azenza njengomvikeli womphakathi. Lamajaji amathatha alalele lolu daba likaMkhwebane uElizabeth Batman, Mohoaji Dolamo kanye noListanuku ongene endaweni yejaji uJohn Hlophe onqume ukhoxa kulolu daba. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.